Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so glad you guys are here with me today. In today's video, we are going to be doing a talk through makeup tutorial. I'm really excited about it. We're going to be learning how to do this look today. It's very dramatic, but I like it and I'm all for it, and I hope that you are as well. Anyways, if you are ready to have some fun, get smoky. And I don't know, if you just want to have fun applying some makeup, or if you're just simply watching this for fun, we can definitely sit down and have a chat. Anyways, if you guys are ready to achieve this look right here, definitely keep on watching and we'll get to blending. All right, we just exfoliated and my face is feeling like a baby's bottom. Just being real here. So, gonna go ahead and start off with a little bit of skincare. I'm gonna go ahead and tone really quickly. I'll be using the BOTANICS 100% organic refreshing toner spritz. Has rose water, so it's not gonna actually like dry out the life out of my skin. Very refreshing. All right, we're gonna, that does not taste good. Anyways, so we are going to go in and moisturize now. I'm going in with the BELIF, the True Cream Moisturizing Balm. Oh my gosh, I just love this stuff so much. It just feels wonderful on the skin. Doesn't overhydrate. Gonna try to keep the moisturizer away from the eyebrows. And if we put our eyebrow product on top of moisturizer, they're just gonna slip right off. Probably should have waited to moisturize after I did my eyebrows, but I don't always think things through clearly, obviously. Now I am gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows really quickly. That's not something I really wanna do on camera. It takes me 3 years to actually do my eyebrows, so gonna go off camera super quickly and finish off those eyebrows. All right, our eyebrows are on and we are ready to jump right in. So I'm actually doing a smoky eye today. It has been forever since I have done a like black smoky eye. I feel like I'm just not intimidated by them, but I feel like that eye look doesn't suit me best, but I haven't done it in a long time. So we're gonna go for it and try it. So I'm gonna prime my eyes. We're using the Morphe Fluidity Full Coverage Concealer. I'm in the shade C1.25. I have a review, demo, wear test on the foundation and concealer that is up on my channel. I will have it linked in the description box if you guys are interested. I'm not sure what palette I'm gonna use today, but we're just gonna go in with a neutral toned eyeshadow to set our eyelid primer. Your girl ain't gonna be creasing today, so we're gonna set this really fast. I just want to use one palette today. I think we're gonna go with the Soft Glam palette from Anastasia. I use this a lot, but I really like it. And since I'm just feeling like using one eyeshadow palette today, this is gonna have the Noir, which is one of the best black eyeshadows out there. And it has some good transition shades in it. I'm not wanting to do anything too rich for the transition shade, just something like a light warm tone. I am gonna take a mix of orange soda and a little bit of burnt orange, and then I'm using, I think this is a MAC 224, and we're just gonna blend this in really quick. Okay, we're moving on to the scary part, adding in the black eyeshadow. I'm going to take Noir from the palette. I swear it's probably, like in my opinion, like the best black eyeshadow out there. It's so pigmented. So I'm gonna take Noir on a Sigma E55 eye shader brush. This is a dense short brush. It'll really pack on shadows. So I'm just gonna start off light and then we'll add product as we need it. So I'm going in with a small amount of product and then adding as I need it. And then once I've gotten rid of most of the product on the brush, I'm just kind of like pressing it into the crease. Loving the look of that. We'll go back and blend, but I'd like to take care of the other eye first. Okay, we're moving on to the I'm gonna go back into the MAC 217. I think it was a 224. And I'm not taking any extra product, but we do have some of that transition shade still left in the brush. And I'm just gonna go ahead and buff out the edges of the black eyeshadow using a super light hand, because I don't want to apply too much of any extra product that's in the brush. I just want to lightly blend it. Then from the Soft Glam palette, I'm going to take Tempera on a E60 large shader from Sigma, and we're going to pop this on the brow bone just to help soften the upper edges of our shadow and just to help our eyebrows pop a little bit more. I don't want them to be drowned out in the smoky eye. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and pop on some glue onto these lashes, so while we finish off the rest of the face, they'll get nice and tacky, hoping these aren't too extra on top of the smoky eye, but we shall see. All right, we're gonna let the glue on those lashes get a little bit tacky, so let's move on to the face. Gonna go ahead and prep and prime for foundation. I'm gonna go in with the Physicians Formula Argan Wear Argan Oil. My skin's still feeling just a little bit dry, and I wanna make sure that it doesn't get even drier throughout the day. So, gonna apply about 3 drops of that. It does not take much, like, at all. I'm gonna go ahead and rub this all over the face. Okay, so now we need to apply an actual primer. So I'm gonna go in with a smoothing one today. I'm using the Tarte Clean Slate Timeless Smoothing Primer. This will literally make your pores disappear. I love this so very much. I would highly recommend it. It'll also keep your foundation on all dang day. Next, I'm gonna use some of the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray just to prep the skin for foundation. Perfect, so we're gonna go ahead and pop on those lashes. The glue has been sitting there for just a little bit, so now they're really tacky and ready to be applied. Moving on to foundation, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in Shell Ivory. I bought this, used it, kind of liked it, then kind of just threw it back in my foundation drawer and forgot about it. But so many people like that I've been talking to, that I've seen even on YouTube, they've been using this so much. They just really love it. So I'm hoping that I can use it again and really like it. I haven't used it in a while, so we shall see. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this. I remember not really caring for the applicator because it's a weird plastic spatula. It does not smell good whatsoever. It smells like paint. I am gonna go ahead and blend this out with my damp beauty blender, and then we're just gonna speed this part up so we can get all blended out. All right, your girl's lash popped off on that eye. I don't think that the glue was like completely on the eyelash. So let's go ahead and proceed with concealer. I'm gonna go back in with the Morphe Fluidity Full Coverage Concealer. This is in C125. Love a bright under eye highlight, love that. All right, we're gonna blend this out. Gonna go ahead and set the concealer with the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. Now with this concealer, since it does already have that matte finish, I don't like to do a very heavy bake. I do like to do a little, but not a lot, just because it already has that matte finish. Then I just like to set the chin. bridge of the nose. My foundation just tends to really wear off in those areas, so I like to get those taken care of with a little bit of powder. Then we will be going in and bronzing while that sets with the Chanel Universal Bronzer, this Tandy Chanel. Been using this every day, not lying. Gonna use the F40 Large Angled Contour from Sigma. Literally been using this so much, it's insane, but it's so good. It's the perfect bronzer for my skin tone. Now it does have more of a creamier finish to it, but it really blends out well just like a powder would. So typically I do go over this with a powder bronzer. So I make sure that I go light with this product because I know that I have more bronzer to apply after. As always, I love a little bit on my hairline, along the hairline. Love that. Loving it. All right, we're gonna bronze with our Hoola bronzer. I'm gonna take a little bit of Hoola Light and Hoola on a Morphe M143. And we're just gonna use this to contour. Really get along that jawline there. I'm going to take a little, and then we're gonna smoke out the lower lash line. So I'm gonna take the two transition shades we used in the beginning, so Orange Soda and a little bit of Burnt Orange, on an E70 medium angled shading brush from Sigma, and we're gonna smoke out our lower lash line. And then I'm gonna move over to a smaller brush. This is an e.l.f. Professional Contour Brush. I'm gonna take that and a little bit of Noir. I just like this because it's super small and dense, so it picks up a lot of product, but it's gonna be able to apply the black very precisely. So I'm gonna apply it on the outer lower lash line, making sure I connect it with the outer corner above. So I wanna connect. So I wanna make sure I apply the black eyeshadow where my outer lash line and my lower outer lash line meet. All right, we are all smoked out, so we're gonna buff out this powder. I'm using I think this is an F25? Yep, F25 large tapered face brush. We use it every day. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and set all of my face makeup in place. So I'm gonna use the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray one more time. For the highlighter, we're gonna use something very pretty and gold, something that'll pop on the face. Gonna use the Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Highlighter in Golden Lights using a F35 tapered highlighter brush from Sigma. And I'm gonna apply this just right on the tips of the cheekbone. Just a little something, something. You know me, I like to put this on the chin, on the bridge of the nose, not so much the tip. We're not trying to look like Rudolph here, and the Cupid's bow. And of course, we gotta do a little bit on that inner corner just to give the eyes a little pop. For blush, we're going in with something a little bit bronzy just to kind of coordinate with this warm tone transition shade we have. So I'm gonna take the Milani Baked Blush in Bellissimo Bronze. I'm gonna glide this along the cheekbones. It has a tad bit of a peachy tone to it, which is really pretty, but it has a bronzy satin finish, which will make us look even more glowy. So for the lips, I really want something, I want like a blotted red lip. So we're actually going to use the NYX Butter Lipstick in Big Cherry, and we're just gonna dab this to try to get that blotted red lip. I didn't want like a full-on red lip, if you know what I'm saying. But I think this is pretty. I do want to top it off with a little bit of gloss. This is from Revlon. It's the, I want to say it's the color, this is the Color Burst Lip Gloss in Fire. I don't believe that they sell this anymore, but there are plenty of bright red glosses out there. I just want to top it off, like, and I'm going to dab it on there just to lighten it up. Before I forget, I'm going to curl my eyelashes super quickly just to get them nice and curly, and then this is also going to help us blend our natural lashes in with the fake lashes. So I just do about 1, 2, 3, and then we're good to go. But I do want to finish off with some mascara, so I'm going to use the Roller Lash Mascara from Benefit. And one more time, we're gonna finish off the makeup and set it in place with our Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. And that, you guys, is gonna complete this talk through makeup tutorial. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and hopefully you like the look as well. I think it turned out really pretty, definitely a little bit, a little bit dramatic. Definitely on the dramatic side, but I hope that you liked it. I'm glad that I stepped out of my comfort zone, because girl, those smoky eyes can be scary. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure that you subscribe before you head out so you don't miss out on any of the videos I'll be uploading in the near future. You guys don't want to miss out, so just subscribe. It's free, it's easy. Click that big red button below, and you're good to go. Oh gosh. I hope that you guys have a fantastic day and a great rest of your week. Jesus loves you guys so very much, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!